Good morning. Right now we got FOMC here. See right there. NFP. Sorry, not FOMC. NFP unemployment rate all coming in. They expect NFP to be pretty bad. Previous was 315, now it's 248. So, I mean, we'll see what the market shows. Here's a chart. I got 5 minutes. So daily, basically hitting that little support area. You know, this was the previous resistance. Basically tapped into that and tapped right here for the upper wick over there. 4 hour, just consolidation. You can see this, but nice clean traffic to the left. Possible for this to probably shoot up, right? To the downside, not much. I would take sells below this though. So let's highlight it right here. Something like that. If NFP is really bad, there is going to be some sells over there. Otherwise, I'm going to take some buys, you know. And on the hourly, decently, pretty much this is the resistance. You got some minor levels here on the hourly. How many pips is this? 50 pips. And on the 30, yeah, pretty clean. So we'll see what happens. 65 pips. Now that this is NFP, I am going to use 1% risk. That's just how it is because one, there's going to be slippage. That's a guaranteed fact. Right? It's a guaranteed fact that there will be slippage. Let me pull up. So
I have a feeling it's going to be good for
30-minute, 1 hour. 1 hour does look good. So for the buys, I'm gonna put it up here. Let's see this 30-minute. All right, let's go to MetaTrader. You can see down here, I got a 1% risk. Just because, yeah, man, it's NFP. You know, we don't know what's gonna happen. So we'll do this. And we got 2 minutes. So buy stops, and then we place above there. Sell stops are going to be right around. I mean, stop loss will be the current wick for 78 pips. And total target, right? I'm going to watch it on the 1 hour because 30 minutes still okay. Let's see the 4 hour structure. So remember here, I wanted to take sells. And if it dropped, 93. Oh shit, I didn't drop my zones on this yet. Okay. But quickly, something like this. What's today? 33 seconds. So one. 30 seconds. Oh, second. All right. Ooh, stopped out. Ooh.
But I think this was amazing. Yeah, there was zero slippage on our platform. People make money here in here as well. Wow, look at this.
Wow, man, loss. 288. You see, I wanted only 100 and I lost 288.
It's 45, 56%. We had 6,000 people watching it today. I think this was one of the best, and it seems to me we have had the best. I made negative $200. So amazing. One thing I have no idea how this is the trade, how many people had sell stops, but I think this was amazing. Was lifted and closed. Yeah, there was zero slippage on our platform. People make money here in here as well. Wow, look at this. Some got 54 pips, some got 10 pips right here, some made $96, some got $3,500 over here, $90, 10 euros, 4%. Awesome. Dollars, 25, 45 pips, 6%. We had 6,000 people watching here today. I think this was one of the best, and it could be we have had the best NFP. I made negative 200. The momentum is on it.
Damn. All right, let's document this. Here, let's see how big my stop loss is supposed to be. $89 Olmsted. Ooh, look at that slippage. From I got slipped 30 pips, which is a lot of money. That's what. So here I'm supposed to only lose. Three-day losing streak. Damn. The other trade. CPA. Okay. 8. Right. So I'm supposed to 89 later up. So is it? All right. So I'm supposed to lose 213, and I lost 288. Got slipped. 75 bucks, not bad. 75 bucks a bit. All right, gonna pause and yeah, bro. Look at this, man. A month. I am currently down a lot of money.
Good, great thing with your family. So I would recommend anyone who made money on the live she had today.
What is it? Actually, I have it all here. I just still want to see it. Let's see. I'm down 4%. 817. 800 bucks. Which could be a lot to some, but no, I think it's okay. All right, gonna pause here. All right, so here we got a 15-minute closure. Right below this price. Looking for ourselves over here. If it happens, look at the trading view. The sells are looking pretty good. Right here, this was a 4-hour where it's super clean. Right? Super clean. Stop loss is only 56 pips. Low is 48. We'll do like 40. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Do 44. All right, so now I'm back to my normal risk of 2.5%. Stop loss is 55 pips. There's that. Let's see here on the 4-hour. Okay. Okay. it breaks its own high, then I will 15. Might end early today. Let's see if we get filled here. Looking pretty good. Just want 50 pips. All right. 50 pips. Gonna close 90% at 50. All right. There we go. And I anticipate that we will continue bearish for ultimate TP down here for 300. All right. Let's see. 14 pips. Again, if you look at the 4-hour here on the top left corner, super clean traffic to the left. Very possible to get to 50 pips. Clean over there. 30-minute. You know, maybe that was a resistance. But we're gonna hold for the 5 minutes. If it does come back to entry, unfortunately I will close half because I saw like 25 pips. I'm not gonna closing half. All right, so I closed half. I saw a max of 27 pips. It's okay, right? And I'll close another half if it turns bullish. Man, I'm on a losing streak. Yes, yeah. Let's see. What should I close? I close 43. Here, this 1 hour. Let's look at this 1 hour. Look at the 1 hour. Where is it? Over here. Right, let me just draw a line. I think that's where yeah, see, that's where it basically tapped it. Which could be a possible support. But, this was a better trade. See, look at that. Man, I should have just, honestly, I should have just held for the 5 minutes. Okay. Damn. Honestly, if this goes like, they should just tap it. Like right there. Alright, tapped. Alright. Let's. Man. I think there I got emotional because one, I lost on NFP, and I'm only getting 150. Got 190 on that trade. you know, all right, man. I only got half a lot, 50 cent. So why the hell did I see, man? Next time, this is what I mean. Yesterday I let it hit the. I held for the 5. I got stopped out at 100, and this time, once it went back to entry, I closed half, and I have less profits. Would have made what 400 bucks. So I think at the end of the day, man, majority of the time, hold for the damn 5 minutes, man. Like it retraced. I don't know. See, I got faked out right here on that 1 minute candle. And I was also looking. If you saw me, I was playing over here. I was looking to re-add the half. And I'm like, where do I re-add the half that I just closed? Because if I entered over here with the same lot size, risk is bigger. If I enter, I could have done with the same. Where was it? Let me mark it up. Right, something like that, right here. So if I re-entered the remaining half, it would be a 85 pip stop with a 50. So far, just 50 pips. Honestly, not worth it. So I don't know. I mean, I got 90%. I think today I'm still negative. Right, I lost 288. Yeah, I'm still down, but at least the trade followed itself. Now there might be another trade at NYC Open. What is it? There might be another trade because there's 930, and what I'd be looking for is I might get stopped out here for at entry, which is perfectly fine, but it could. What is it? It could. This is what could happen. Retrace, maybe peak up a little bit, and then drop. Right? And drop all the way down. Remember, we still need this 4 hour to close. So if this 4 hour closes, down there, there's gonna be a setup on maybe the 1 hour to wake up and then drop. 30-minute as well. But this 4 hour is just looking nice. Like it can come maybe up to here. That this one is a possible resistance. 120 pips for a max of that, right? Yeah. That honestly might happen. I am going to yeah, it might just use a 4 hour zone because we're gonna be watching the 4 hour entries. But Trying to refine my zones. I see I'm gonna get stopped out, which is fine. So my MFE here was 82 pips. All right, stopped out, which is what I expected. That's perfectly fine. See, now I'm back up at 19,300. But like I said, here looking at the 4 hour, to get a setup, right? Is what I want. I see a retrace, and then probably take sells. So let's document this trade. Gotta make a call. All right, so looking at this, the 4 hour, it closed below the zone. All right, it closed below the zone. Now I expect it to probably wick up and then drop. I'm not gonna play this Wickfill, just because it's a brand new first of everything, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, etc., all the way down to the 1 minute. I expect some retracements to happen. Um, you know, but if it drops, oh man, how many pips is it? 81. That's decent, but I ain't gonna do that. My plan is wait for a wick fill. So this 4 hours, I said I wanted to hit that resistance, probably bounce off it, and then maybe do a flip. 1 hour is exactly that. Oh wow, look at that. Lined up right with that thing. Okay. 30 minute. That's pretty good. I should highlight this 4 hour level. Gotta fix these zones because these zones are not the same. Um 30 minute. 30 minute. Good. Um, so right here, it looks like it might wick fill it and drop, but I don't know, man. I just can't. So there, it would have been filled. Yeah, I can't do that. I got burned yesterday, man. And it's only 3 minutes into the candle. So I'm not gonna trade that. See how it would have played out. So here, there you go. Right, but now I think if it breaks this low, that would give me a better reason to short this. Low of 25. Let's do 74, 60. Man, I mean, if I entered, damn, bro, I would have been facing some drawdown right now. Gonna continue documenting this. October. So right now, it looks like it's gonna break and drop, but I just can't take this trade because one, I'm waiting for volume around 9:30. All right, there I'd be filled. Risk is 71 pips, and the Wickfill is only 60. I like a 1-to-1 ROI. No, that one did not happen. So what was it? And 8.7, yo, that would have been crazy. 9-6. Eight, 9 pips. 761. Oh, what's up with my internet, man? Okay, gotta pause. All right, so here you can see that um, it is. All right, so looking at the 4 hour, you can see quickly on MetaTrader, I was supposed to take this short based on the little candle flip, but as I said, it was just 3 minutes into the new time frame of a 4 hour, all the way down to a 1 minute, so it did not make sense. Only moved maybe 40 pips for I don't know how much, right? It didn't really fill that wick. Going back to TradingView, the 4 hour is currently presenting what I want. It closed below. We're gonna see a little bit of a retracement. And then after this, it should drop at the NYSE Open. 1 hour, just gonna be choppy. I mean, sideways. Now the 30-minute, I'd love this to close in a doji. Sell stops below the break of this low, stop loss above that high, which is looking like a 118 pip stop loss to make 227. We got 4 minutes for that to happen. And it's possible that it could happen. So we're going to wait for volume. Now, going back to MetaTrader, let's keep this 30-minute open. Just playing the downside. Don't want to do the bullish side unless this 30-minute closes above. But we are in a downtrend, so I'm going to just wait. So, sells below here. Oh, this sells below there on the next 30-minute. Or if this thing closes above, right, we're going to get a Wickfill and then we go up. Right, so this is what it could look like. It goes up, closes bullish, breaks a previous high, entries will be there with a little retest of support. I don't even take that trade. We just wait for it to make a high, create a resistance, and then create a resistance, and then we go down. So basically, those are the movements. Still clean traffic to actually both sides now for it to go down and for it to go up, because long as far maybe the market makers or whatever, I don't know, whoever, the banks, whatever they people say on the social media, want to bring it up, get the best price, and then drop it. So we will see. We got a minute left. Going to trading view. This is a 30-minute time frame. All right. Gonna pause real quick. All right, we got 20 seconds. This is a low of 96. I'm at 92. 15-minute. Volume should just make this drop. So it's going up, pulling back. If it breaks its own low, now I can use a current candle high as a stop loss. There. Just for comfort. All right, let's do, I think it was 100. So I did the up here, just because that is the resistance. I want to see this break this stop loss. Let's see. If you look at 30-minute, perfect entry. 1 hour, yeah, I wanted to break that. I hope it does. The stop loss is 101.79. BP is 236. So 30-minute had a setup. This is a 30-minute setup, right? Respected the previous high, broke the previous low, and then I entered. Right now, I'm going to manage risk. If it does not break this wick, if it does not break this and retraces, I will close half at entry. because maybe that's the support, right? We don't want it to retrace all the way up, right? We got to, oh, did it break? And it's broken. Okay. Closing 90% there. I'm gonna hold for the 5 minutes. 30 minute, everything looks good. Let's see. I hate to close half at entry right now. Let's see the 1 hour. Yeah, it should drop. I might take 50. Closed half at entry. You know, just trying to manage risks. Yeah, man. Saw MFP of 40 pips. Ugh. Fearful. I'm fearful right now. Should I close? Oh shit. I did not close half. I thought I closed half. Did I close half? Holy shit, I did not close half. What the hell is going on with me right now, man? Holy shit. I mean, now I just gotta hold for the 5 minutes and see where this thing goes. 5 minutes about to close very soon. A lot of mental focus. Looking at this, you know, like the 5 minute. Okay. What the fuck? Why isn't magic keys enabled? Okay, I'm just gonna close the whole trade. For some reason, my magic keys was not moving. This is just crazy. I clicked it and shit did not close. My god. I should have closed it at like 100. Damn, this is so weird. Man. That is just weird. Man, I saw 100 something, man. Anyways, I had to close it because there's no way for me to manage risk. And, you know, I'm not going to ain't gonna do that stuff where I'm not gonna stay in a trade where I gotta manage this trade manually. I gotta use magic keys. I only got 7 pips on this. This is perfectly fine if it drops, man. Like, holy jeez. This will probably drop all the way to my, actually. This will probably drop all the way to my target now. See what that is. There you go. See that? Damn. Jesus Christ. Broken that low. 47. Just tapped 50. I think I would have got the 50. Damn it. All right. So anyways, today, I might be done today. You can see here I made, let's get my calculator. Oh, jeez, man. This was the trade. Just so perfect. I just want this retracing. Anyways, today I would have made 222 bucks, which would have been great, except I traded NFP and lost. So I'm down 66 bucks, which you can see here on MetaTrader. So even though yesterday I lost, you know, look at this, I lost like 800 bucks. And for this 190 trade, I could have made, I think, 380. So I would have made 380 plus this trade where the magic keys broke. Would have made some money. I saw 130 if I close it off. 510. Or it was a 4.8, so 2.4 times 50 is 120. Okay, 500 bucks. Ugh. Would have made 2.5% today, which is amazing. So, just slow gains coming back, and that's really all I need, man. That's really all I need. So, just gonna slowly grind it back, profits, and yeah. Good thing I closed it, man. Shit. Retracing. All right, let's watch the 30. Something I want to show is this is the NFP assessments. I've assessed NFPs in the past. Large wick, choppy at the open. Nothing. Flat, choppy, messy. Continuation at 9. Wick, flat, candle flip entry. Messy at 9. Messy. Retracement. Decent move. So really, it looks like decent drop at 350. I mean, this thing had dropped. This thing dropped 450 pips, and I don't know. Is that a clean? Not too clean. Get an hour. Anyways, just gotta. I think I'm not gonna trade NFP no more. That's it, man. I'm done. I'd rather just trade after NFP. So wait 15 minutes. Trade the candle after that. CPI has been good though. We got CPI. I think we got CPI next week. 8:30. Yeah. Now, based off the NFP data that I've collected, around 10 o'clock, it just been flat, right? Moves without moves. Choppy, retracement, flat, consolidation. The risky trade. Today, right now, it looks like it's just being flat. I'm really upset this magic key isn't working. Done. I think I am done. $15-minute closure there. Look at that price action. Just dropping. 50 pips. I could have had more. I think yeah, I was thinking of putting stops here for 60, but instead I held a 90. Yeah, 102 stop loss. I could have had like a 60, 70 pip stop loss, but you know, it's scary. Man, look at that. 90 pips. Would have got my 1-to-1. This is what I like. See, just seeing this in hindsight, the 5 minutes. You got a bearish close. Here's a doji. Yeah, wicked up. Maybe a little bit of fear here. Broke the previous high, but you just wait for that. And when did that drop? So, okay, right in the first 5 minute, the first minute of the 5 minute, it shot up, and then it just dropped. And now this just like confirmation, man, it's gonna drop. Right now it's too late. Nice 30-minute setup right here, right? 1 hour, even beautiful, right? It wicked up. Yeah, 1 hour is nice. It wicked up, flipped entry over here, 62, dropped 180 pips. 4 hour had that same setup. Now it's tapping into that level right here. Basically that it tapped it right there, you know, missed it by 10 pips, not bad. I think this already dropped like 230 pips. So yeah, that's okay. It hit partial take profit. Yeah, it did. Hit TP. Let's say no. Imagine. Here I even saw how much was this? 50. $160 or 480. Damn. 480. Honestly, right now I think to improve my profits and to improve my game, just looking at this statistic right here, all right? Looking at this statistic, most of the time it hits my take profit, my partial take profit. So, and it barely hits my TP. Rarely, you know. So what I'm gonna do, instead of closing 75%, I'm just gonna close 90%. And I mean, one, I guarantee a bigger profit amount, basically 1-to-1. If every time I risk the $500, I'm gonna get how much is that? What's the calculator on that? I'm gonna guarantee myself at least $450, and every time I'm not gonna lose 100% risk. You know, it's just gonna I'm gonna manage risk. So I'm gonna lose less than $450 all the time, unless it's volatile and all that. So I think that's good. You know, goes 90% now. Yeah, let's let's go and change that right now. Please. 90. Oh, all right. So right now, I'm not even mad that today is a losing day because look at this. I lost $65 today. 2 wins, 1 loss. This loss was NFP. And you know what? If I did not trade NFP, I would have been up like what, $300 or almost $300. Oh no, I would have been up like 220. 220, which is crazy amount. 220 divided by let's say 1%. 1%. All I need is 1% a day. And I missed out on that. So stupid me trading NFP and you know, what can you do? What can you do? Actually, this looks like it's gonna tap target. I'm gonna put yes. Damn, yeah, damn. This target was all the way down here. 150 pips. But anyways, day's done. Don't think I'm gonna trade. That was nice. That was a nice trade. I had to close manually here because Magic Keys wasn't linked at the moment. So just gonna watch this. Nice though. 170 pips. Base on one 250. 250 pips. Been nice. But yeah, I'm amped. I'm ready, man. I'm ready for next week. I lost, but I am ready for next week. Monday's a holiday, so not gonna trade. Not gonna trade on Monday. 11th is okay. FOMC. I got my FOMC notes. Look at this. That's meeting minutes. So it's not even the real FOMC. All right. So here, all of my FOMC setup is 15 minutes after, always at 2:30. I got a link on my YouTube on on how to capture this, but it makes sense at 2:30. This one is different though. September 21. Yeah, see that's the real FOMC. Tomorrow or next week, it is just the whoops. Next week it is next week is just the meeting minutes. So nothing really. And CPI. I got data on CPI already. I'm ready. It makes CPI has been just got to review it again, but it's had some nice moves. And I'm gonna risk 1% on that. And then yeah. So we'll see. So NFP, bye-bye. Just gonna trade CPI and FOMC. Right, I think that's it for today. We got 10 o'clock coming in. Yeah, see, it's hitting target, man. Perfect setup. Small bearish, just dropped. Gonna hit target. Gonna end it right here. It's all good.